ladies and gents, welcome again to I Am Food. So here is the other video. So hope you're gonna be enjoying this content, and if you're gonna be enjoying this video, so please like, subscribe and comment down below. And today's subject is special traditional food which comes through from Ottoman Empire's food. So we're gonna be finding a good place again, try to understand the process of our meal, our meat, our food, and then fill our stomach again. Yeah, but today it's a little bit rainy, but anyway, so without waiting queue, so let's go and jump in. Where we can eat is traditional food for the Ottoman Empire. It is called TIRIT. So as you can see, it's right here you can see type of soup, so you can see the treat. We're gonna be sharing the preparation of it a little bit later, and so let's jump in. Yeah, our chef is going to demonstrate how to prepare our treat. First, the man putting special traditional bread that's only to be used for this meal. Secondly, the beef is added upper surface of bread. Next, the boiled beef water is going to be added. And as a last, yogurt with garlic sauces and served with copper plate. Ottoman Empire has tried to blockade to surrender the Crete island, which has 8 km square, with a command of 2 monarch times and duration of 24 years. During those years, the economics of Ottoman Empire has significantly affected and led to lesson on recession. Monarch Ibrahim has strictly wanted to have the island, but throughout the surrounding armies, 130,000 soldiers has died in war. The population of Istanbul have revolted, but the empire wants what they wanted. Finally, when the commander had victory of having that island, palace chef has introduced a new kind of meal for that special day, and that is called TIRIT, with the slogan of in Turkish "Tepside tirit, alında girit," or in another English say "Tirit on the tray, we got the grit." Alright, so we got our food. So here is you cannot move. There is no such a place to move. It's not a large place. So without waiting again, so I'm gonna taste it and tell my thoughts about this. So as our chef told us, so it's made up of lamb kind of bread, special bread again. It's a little bit tiny. Adding the water of boiled lamb. Yeah, I can exactly say this. And it's served with again lemon. So let's put. Yeah, I think it's well. So I can smell the garlic. Yeah. In the yogurt they put the garlic, so I'm gonna taste it. So let's do the meal is too soft, and when you're biting, it's all dividing into pieces, and it's really tasty. And I'm gonna taste again. Yeah, well enough. So I recommend you to try this, but not everyone else can do a good quality treat. But here is doing the best with our chef as told us. So yeah, okay.